Can you tell us about Hine's Concentric Maxi torque system?
The Concentric Maxi torque system is a clamping system that addresses a problem inherent in most pulley designs. Typically, designs clamp on one surface, whereas the CMT system clamps all the way around, increasing friction. This decreases the runout of the pulleys. The CMT system makes these clamps easy to install and uninstall on our components, so we do not require as much equipment. Because it simplifies the design, it increases precision, so our accuracy, quality, and repeatability improve. Our manufacturing speed also increases while reducing overall cost.
On which of Hine's products is the Concentric Maxi torque used?
The Concentric Maxi torque system is currently used in Hine's Star vacuum load lock series, but we are moving it across our entire product offering. We've also begun incorporating the system into our vacuum robots.